Using either test, determine whether there's a max or min and where for the function. All right, so let's take the first derivative here. Using the product rule, we take the derivative of x, we get 1, and we're left with e to the x, plus x times the derivative of e to the x, which is e to the x. That equals e to the x plus x e to the x. If we take out an e to the x, we are left with 1 plus x. If we set this equal to 0, we can see that this will never equal 0. So we have our one critical value is at x equals -1. So something happens at x equals -1. Let's figure out what it is. So we have our chart, we have -1. So if we plug in 0 into our derivative here, we would get, this would be 1 and 1, and that is positive. If we plug in -2, this value will still be positive, but this value will then be negative. So that will make the whole thing negative. So this looks something like this: negative slope and then positive slope. So that gives us a minimum. So the answer is C.